Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 better words for new. Number 1. Fresh. It means recently made, obtained, or introduced. Example, Sheena uploaded a fresh vocabulary quiz this morning. Number 2. Recent. It means happening or made not long ago. Example, her recent video received many positive comments. Number 3. Latest. It means the most new or most up-to-date. Example, watch Lexi's latest lesson on everyday idioms. Number 4. Modern. It means relating to the present time, not old-fashioned. Example, the channel uses a modern approach to teaching English. Number 5. Novel. It means new and original, especially an idea or method. Example, the video uses a novel way to teach phrasal verbs. Number 6. Brand new. It means completely new, never used before. Example, she bought a brand new microphone for recording. Number 7. Innovative. It means introducing creative or advanced ideas. Example, the interactive quiz format is innovative and engaging. Number 8. Updated. It means changed to include the newest information. Example, here is the updated list of useful English expressions. Number 9. Original. It means created independently, not copied. Example, the teacher's original examples make the lesson memorable. Number 10. Emerging. It means starting to develop, become known, or grow in importance. Example, short quiz videos are an emerging trend in language learning. Great job, everyone! Now you know 10 useful alternatives to the word new. Which word was your favorite today? Write your answer in the comments and try to make your own sentence. See you in the next lesson.